It was yet another day of intrigues in the court, meeting after meeting, some in open court, others in camera at the Milimani Law Courts. The lawyers representing Mutula Kilonzo Junior and the Wiper Party had argued before Justice Richard Mwongo that allowing the IEBC to affix the name of their candidate on the ballot paper would be tantamount to bending election laws and giving room to manipulation of the election contrary to election regulations.
The second petitioner is not prepared to participate in an election in circumstances in which the name of their nominee does not appear on that ballot paper in a composite and printed form.
IEBC lawyer Kimani Muhoro argued that when the High Court ruled that the Wiper Party should have a candidate in the by-election, ballot papers had been printed and inserting Mutula Junior's name in the column that had been left vacant would not compromise the quality of the ballot paper, as Orengo emphasized that with that ballot paper, the winner could be challenged in court.
In fact, the petitioner has not shown what prejudice they will suffer due to those administrative arrangements which have been made to comply with this honorable court's orders. I urge this honorable court to let the election be.
The lawyers retreated to yet another secluded meeting to find consensus on the way forward, to no avail, prompting the judge to give his verdict. First, faulting the IEBC for lack of a ballot paper that can pass the legal test.
I note that what is sought by the applicant or second petitioner is an order of this court directing that the name of Wiper Party's nominee, namely Mutula Kilonzo Junior, be in a printed form on the ballot papers.
Quagmire number one. Then number two.
The court's hands are tied. 90 days expire on 26th July 2013. The court cannot alter the wishes of the people of Kenya by extending the by-election date to allow for reprinting so as to facilitate the production of ballot papers.
Yet he had to make a ruling.
Weighing all the options available to the court and the best interests of the nation and of the people of Makueni, and noting that the parties and candidates will have agents at every polling station to check on ballot papers and on strict compliance with elections processes, I will order that the elections shall proceed.
So the battle now moves from the courts to the actual by-election in Makueni. This after a series of legal battles that began with the validity of lawyer Kathy Kilonzo's voter's card to the validity of the ballot paper after Kathy was replaced by her brother Mutula Kilonzo Junior as the Wiper candidate. Alex Chamwada for Citizen Live at 9 at the Milimani Law Courts.